Brian back here with a look at Calamari. Okay, you can see this thing is breaking some pretty decent resistance levels here. All right, a few things we want to look at here. I want to look at the all-time high on this thing. All right, the all-time high. Whoa, is this wick valid? Let's go over to CoinMarketCap. I want to see a few things here. KMA. Let's take a look and see here. All right, I want to see the market cap, the circulating supply. Come on. Oh boy, I don't know why CoinMarketCap always gives me a hard time. I did switch to CoinGecko there. Kind of wish I would have just stayed with it. KMA, come on. KMA. Calamari, there we go. It's up 17% for the day. What do we got? 10 billion total supply. That's very, very good. Okay, that's super. $7.8 million market cap. Tons of potential here. You know, a 10x would put it right around 80 million. You got your, what would it be, a 12x for 100 million? Looking about 100x to get to that billion. I think it can do that. I think it could get to that billion for sure. All right. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not saying that. All right. It has an all-time high of 7 cents. All right. Let's take a look at something here real quick. All right. 7 cents. Just to get back to the all-time high. All right. I want to see what kind of, what we're looking at here. All right. 0.07 divided by 0.002737. If you haven't yet, guys, please consider becoming a member. Man, it helps so much. 25.5x to get back to the all-time high. All right, so not too shabby, and they normally always at least get back to the all-time high in a bull run. All right, this thing could go a lot higher than that, in my opinion. Okay, 25x. I believe, this thing could easily 100x. 100x would put it where? I'm just curious. 0.002734 times 100. Let's take a look here. All right, 100x would put it at 27 cents. 27 cents. All right, so 400x would put it at $1. Huge potential here, man. Absolutely. All right, 10 billion total supply. That's nothing. All right, so 100x would put it at 27. I believe, in my opinion, I believe this thing will 100x. The volume is up almost 50% for the last 24 hours. All right, so you got people jumping in, buying. Great project, man. Calamari, I love this thing. All right, it's been out a couple of years now. 2 years ago was the all-time high. The all-time low at 0.0005 was 3 months ago, and it's up a 4x from there. Okay, so big potential here. Okay, it could easily 100x gets it to 27 cents. That's crazy. That really is. That's crazy. The crypto bubbles. Not a lot going on here today. All right, Bitcoin had a fake out, ended up pulling back in. Let me show you this thing real quick. And that all-time high was 7 cents. Okay, so was that wick valid? No, went up to 14 cents. All right, so 7 cents. If we go 7 cents, we'll go from there. And you were looking roughly for a bull run price 29 cents. There's your 100x. So and these bull run prices for something, look at this volume over here. Holy cow, what was that? Let's go into daily and look at that. You know, these were these big spikes here. 131 million, 250 million. It's amazing. You know, the good chart guys out there see bottoms. Look at this one here. 227 million. The good guys out there see the bottoms come in. Okay, that was the bottom on this thing right here. Right there. Boom. Okay, so you can see, let's go out on a weekly. Has it gone that low before? No. No. That was a pretty good shot there. And look at all the volume that came in. Look at all this volume down here in the bottom that came in after it hit that bottom. All right, so a lot of green volume. That's what you want to see. That pushes price up. And this is on the weekly. Just this week here, 509 million. 509 million. All right, this week. All right, that's why we got this big, huge spike up here. That's a very crucial area to break too. You can see it. Boom, right there. Okay, very big area. And then if you break that, you know, a lot of air up through here. 0.0039, got a little bit of resistance, and then it goes the whole way up here. You know, almost a how much would that be from there? From this area here up to there, you know, another 30%. Yeah, you could get some big gains in this thing real quick. You know, so definitely a great project. I'm keeping my eye on it. I am diving in on this thing. You know, at 0.002 cents. All right, if you go buy, let's say you throw $100 at this thing. All right, how much is that going to get you? $100. 0.00 divided by 0.002681. $100 is going to get you 37,000 tokens. 37,000 tokens. All right, and if this thing, I don't know, say it, I don't, it's 37,300, 37,300. You know, say it gets to 30 cents. So your $100 turned into $11,000, you know, and that's just if it gets to 30 cents. Okay, if this thing gets to $1, your $100 turns into $37,000. That's what I love about crypto, man. You are never gonna find somewhere else where you can make so much money so fast. And this next bull run, it is the big one. You know, this one, maybe the next one, but this one is going to be one of the probably ones that start cutting down on the big massive gains. The one, you know, as they go on, you're going to see these 1000x's maybe start disappearing. So if you don't know how to do this charting stuff, guys, please go over and sign up for a level 3 membership for $15, man. It is well worth it. Okay, I'm not conning anybody out of anything. I'm trying to help you. You need to know when to sell. You need to know when to look for price targets. You know, I don't cover every coin you hold. It just doesn't work like that. You need to be able to draw support and resistance lines, look for breakouts, know where your pullbacks are coming to, bullish and bearish divergence. You need to know all that stuff in a bull run. I mean, if you don't, you're going to lose out. All right. So, you know, if you feel like it and it's something you're interested in, please go sign up for it. $14.99, 8 hours worth of videos, and it's worth it, guys. It really is. If I would have known this stuff the last bull run that I know now, I would have made a killing. All right, so it is what it is. I watched it run back down. I took a trading course. I paid $400 for it, and everything I learned I put in here. You're not going to find it cheaper anywhere. Okay, if you don't get it from me, please go to learn from somebody else. Please, just do yourself a favor. You will save yourself so much money. The $15 that I charge is nothing compared to what that $15 can do for you in a bull run. And we have a bull run coming up. All right, so don't miss out. I'm just, you know, Just saying. All right. Let's take a look here. We got the RSIs. The daily is bullish, 57 and a 46. We got the 12 hours bullish, 96 and a 85. 8 hours bullish, 75 and a 62. And the 4 just rolled over at a 81 and an 87. You can see this area that this needs to break. Okay. You can see it got rejected right here at 0.0028. All right, so that is a very crucial area to break. All right, you got very good support right down here at 0.00253. Very good support down there. Okay, so if it would pull back down there, you got great support down there. Okay, now if this is a wave 1, 2 starting, and a 3, and if this is a fourth wave pullback, it should not violate this area down here at 0.002328. All right, I'm looking for a push up. All right, this area here is your first area to break. You need to break the 0.0028 area, all right, to go higher. After that, then you have 0.00297, which needs to break, and then we could possibly be giving these higher wicks a run for their money here. All right, but Calamari looks fine. Okay, overall, like I said, this thing from the bottom to where it's at right now is up. You know, go from the bottom to where we're at now, 4.5x. Okay, so not too bad. If you had 1,000 in it, now you have 4,600. Okay, if you had 100 in it, you have 460. All right, so that's how fast these things can add up. And you're still early in this thing. It's only, you know, 0.0026. $100 will get you 38,000 tokens. All right, so, all right, guys, thank you so very much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you soon.